Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome in Islamiyat lesson. Today we will do revision of Battle of Uhud. Dear student, before going to start written revision, first recall the topic Battle of Uhud. The companions Radhiyallahu love and sacrifice for the Prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Abu Dujana Radhiyallahu bent over the Prophet, peace be upon him, to shield him, so that any arrow that came landed on his back. The swords of Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu, Hazrat Abu Bakr Radhiyallahu, Hazrat Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas Radhiyallahu, and Hazrat Zubair bin Al-Awami Radhiyallahu were all hitting back at the non-believers' attackers. Hazrat Zayd Radhiyallahu was injured so badly that he face down at the feet of the Prophet ﷺ and died. Hazrat Talha Radhiyallahu tried to block an attack with his hands, but he lost one arm. Results of the Battle of Uhud. The results of the battle prove that the importance of the commander is very important. In this war, the order of the commander-in-chief was ignored and disobeyed. Due to this, a battle which had almost been won was lost, and a large number of lives were lost. Today, too, we are facing a lot of problems, and the main reason is that we don't follow the commands of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Hamza Radhiyallahu martyred in this war because Hinda persuaded an Abyssinian slave named Washi to kill Hazrat Hamza Radhiyallahu in order to take revenge for her father's and brother's death at Badr. Chewed the liver of Hazrat Hamza Radhiyallahu. Her patience for revenge was still not satisfied. She cut off his nose and ears. When the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, saw the dead body of his dear uncle, he, peace be upon him, had tears in his eyes. But he bore all this with patience. The Almighty consoles the loss of the war at Uhud. After the Battle of Uhud, Allah the Almighty said to the Muslim, describing the events of the Battle of Uhud in Surah Al-Imran, verse 139 and 141. In these verses, Allah consoled the Muslims and told them not to grieve but the loss they faced in the battle. If they have faith, they will win. He also consoled them in another way. He told them that if there were many mujahideen injured in the battle of Uhud, it did not matter. In the battle of Badr, at the beginning of the battle of Uhud, many of their enemies had been similarly injured. This is the wisdom of Allah the Almighty, that the winner loses and the loser winners. There was divine wisdom in the loss suffered by the Muslim due to their own mistakes. Always have patience in the battle. The non-believers given victory would become arrogant, and this would lead to their defeat into the future. Dear student, requested to open your notebook and prepare a page, write down date and day, draw margin line, and your topic is revision. Answer the question. Question is this: write about the sacrifice of Hazrat Abu Dujana Radhiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Talha Radhiyallahu anhu in the Battle of Uhud.